Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel again. This is Lex V Designs. Today we're going to be learning how to cut this couples bra, and this is so simple to make. So let's get right into the video and get started. Okay. So at this point, I have 5.5 for the width, and for the length, I have 7 inches. So I'll mark 7 inches, and I'll just continue to rule that till I get to that 5.5 inches that I ruled at the width. Okay, so I'll be connecting this way so that I can cut it out. And don't forget that I have two pieces of this together. I have two. Let me open it so you can see. I have two. Then I'll be placing these two on another two, just like this. Okay, so I'll just place this one on this one again so that I can just cut it, since I've already measured out the first one. All right, so just cut this rectangular shape in four sides. Let's say there be four pieces of each of them. Okay, so you can have this shape on each of them when you are done. So I'll be sewing this part round just this way. I'll just sew it quickly and then show you. Okay, so this is how it looks after you have already sewn it. Now it's totally optional. You can see that in the first picture while we're starting this video, one didn't have a design, one had a design. Okay, it's totally optional for you to add a design of your choice. We're going to be adding a design here. You can also decide to just fold it, and that's all. So you can add a design from this point to this point, just from there to this point. Okay, as simple as that. Or you can use this one, if any design of your choice. So I just decided to go with the red one. Okay, now not at the base, just at the top only, this side. Okay, so I just attached my design, my desired design. Okay, and I will attach my base, and that base I'll be cutting like 2.5 inches for this base. You can even go with a smaller base. It must not be 2.5. You can go with 1 inch. Okay, it depends on what you want. All right, so for the width of this, I'll be going with my waist, my under bust measurements. The circumference of my under bust, I divided it by 2 and then I cut it. I mean, it's on fold, that's why I divided it by 2, but you have to get the whole circumference of your under bust. Okay, so this is my whole circumference, and then I'm going to be notching it on this part. Now here I'm going to be joining these two sides at this point. I'll just join them this way. Okay, and then it will be like this there, so that I can attach my base. Now it's totally optional for you to join it. Some people want the cups of the bra different, so that it depends on your preference. Okay, so because it's more like a bra, like something, that's why I'm joining it there. So I'll just join from this point straight here, and then the other way as well. Kindly remember to subscribe, please don't forget. Okay, subscribe and tap on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So right now I just already joined the base, so I will just be joining the straps. Okay, so the straps you can just use about 1 inch to fold in. Now I'm going to be attaching this strap to this point. You can see where I'm attaching it. I'll just attach it here, and then I will also attach it to the other side. Okay, I just have two straps. Okay, so let me just attach it now. Let's attach it together. So I'll just attach it here, and then attach to the other side. Okay, and that's it. So I just attached the upper part, and I'll be attaching this one here. Now add my hooks at this point. It's as simple as this. The bra is so ready. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.